So let's talk about improvising in flamenco. When we talk about improvising, there's so many different ways that you can go about it, but one way that I love teaching is to really keep it simple. Really, it's always about keeping it strong and simple. And we're going to go over 3 different moves today that you can implement into your own repertoire, build into your muscle memory, so that you can do the moves and improvise with the upper body and add a little bit more dynamic element that way. I am Rina Orellana. If you don't know me, I am a professional flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience. I also have an online flamenco studio where I teach dancers from all over the world, from new beginners to advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. And it's all about speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco in the online flamenco studio. So you can grab your 10-day free trial in the link below. Let's begin. So all you really need to know to improvise in a general 12 count balón, alegría, soleá por bulería, guajira, you just need 3 moves. And as long as you can remember them for your lower body, then you can start adding different variations in the upper body. And that's where the secret sauce of improvising comes along. So the 3 moves. And if you've taken any flamenco before, you already know them. But you want to be able to keep them simple and not try to add anything crazy. Lock in with that lower body, and then you can add the elements of improvising with the upper body. All right, so that first marking step, our first marcaje, is a forward step. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can just forward, together, forward, together. So you can do all kinds of different variations with the upper body later, but you want to be able to have that forward marking solid without having to think about it. Our second marking step is the side marking. So we have out, cross out, back forward, forward, and cross. That's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Out, cross out, back forward, forward, cross. And then again, with that marking, you do all kinds of different variations with the upper body to make it, the improvised part. Now, the third marking is just going around in a circle. So I'm just standing on that left leg. I'm going to turn towards the left. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, 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 da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da, and down the other direction, standing on the right. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So we're going to go over those 3 markings. We have our front marking step, we have our side marking step, and going around in a circle. And then we're going to add different elements with the upper body so that you can learn different ways to express yourself with improvising. All right, let's begin. So we know that we have those 3 lower body, the marking steps locked in. Now the changes are going to happen with the upper body. So one way you can think about it is arms down, arms up and open, arms up and crossed. So we're going to experiment with those 3 parts. Arms down, arms up and open, arms up and crossed. All right, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So arms down, 3. We'll do 4 compasses of each. 12, 1, 2, 3. So relax those hips. chest up, and you're going at a slight angle. And I think I lost the compasses. We'll do one more here. All right, now we're gonna go switch. Arms down, but you're still lifted. You're controlled. Elbows out. In with the hands. And out with the hands. All right, and now we're gonna go to the left in a circle, arms down. Ba, 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 ba. 7, 8, 9, 10. Other direction. 3. All right, now we're gonna go forward again. Open with the arms. So open and up. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now open and switch the arms. Out with the hands. Ba, ba, da, ba. All right, and now in a circle, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Other direction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we cross the arm. Twist. And twist. Twist. All right, and now open. Ba, ba, da, ba, da. Or we're just doing the opposite arm. Da, ba, da. Up, ba. Down, ba, da, ba. All right, around, and now we'll do a lift. And switch. Nine, 10. Ole. So what we did there were 3 marking steps that are solid, solid, solid. They're not changing. You're doing having that front marking step, that side marking step, and then going around in a circle. And then what changes is what you're doing with the upper body. So then we just had the arm down, the arm open, crossing over, and then we did opposite arms with the side marking and opposite arms with going around. So that's the first level of improvising. As long as you lock in with that lower body, you're able to change that upper body. So I encourage you to practice on your own using solo compás. Always solo compás to drill down that, the compás. All right, so thank you for joining me. If you want to continue your studies with me in a more structured environment with a lot more support and step-by-step plan, I encourage you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. There's over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced levels, and that's a lot of courses, but I walk you through it step by step, and I have a lot of curated programs for you. So we have regular workouts, we have monthly challenges, there are live practice sessions, live trainings, and a very, very, very vibrant community that is global. So you can check out the link below for your free 10-day trial, and I will see you next time.